Hi, how are you? We're going to draw a very nice scenery today. So let's start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line like this. Then another straight line in the bottom. This is the border at the bottom. Let's put some mountains on these straight lines too. There's a bigger mountain here. Now we draw the lines of the river which is coming from the mountain and flowing over on the plain lands here. So the rivers is flowing here. We can draw the palm tree. These are very tall. From here, put some grasses at the bottom of the trees. All right. Let's draw some curved line like this here. Also like this here. We draw some detailing like this. All right. Also, we draw another line and make it darker to make the tree more visible. Also make this tree darker and make more visible here. All right, so the bush here at the bottom, this is also darker. Let's use this pencil to draw the bush quick. All right, now let's draw the house. So there's a house here, the traditional rural house. All right, we can put the doors and windows in the house too. Then I put some pins to the side of the house, also fences in this side too. Little ground. There's a big tree here. Now we draw the branches, and we draw like these lines along the tree, and make it looks nice. Here this is. Here the tree. Okay. Also we draw few lines here to show the progression, and the line ends at the last end of the drawing. All right, this is the pretty much drawing. You can make some birds fly in the sky too. All right, so as the lights getting from here, the shades will be this side on the mountain. One side has a shade, the other side is lighter. We can draw a thick line along these lines too. Here will be another thick line, and this is the water. All right, so mountains getting shades here. Little shades here too. Let's make the field little darker. Also this side little darker. Some shades on the grass too, and the tree is also getting visible. The trunk and the branches. All right, so this is pretty much the drawing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.